I'm embarking on my longest trip with my motorcycle, with my brother and Farida to Ocean City's Bike Week. It's gonna be fun, but I'm already feeling my bottoms hurting. Before anything, let's roll the intro. Well, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, I'm Jafari, and these are my friends, my brother and Farida. And today we are getting on our bikes to go to Ocean City's Bike Fest.
Bike Fest?
Yeah, it's
week?
called Bike Fest,
Okay.
basically. Bike Week, Bike Fest. And 3-hour ride, not drive, 170 miles on a sport bike, a cruiser, and another cruiser. It's gonna be a little painful, but I think we're gonna do it. What do you think?
I think I can do it, hopefully.
He has his backpack like that. He has his backpack like that. And my backpack and all my stuff is right there. I mean, it's not a backpack, it's a duffel bag. And funny thing, it's a Harley Davidson duffel bag. So hopefully I don't get in trouble riding a Honda Rebel. Sheets to get, we gotta go to Sheets to get Rebel. Yes, Reza?
Yes, sir. Yes. I feel bad for him.
It's painful, bro.
I feel really bad for him.
I have cords if you want to just.
talk to. Hello?
I think you talk to the school bus.
I know, and I heard myself. Like,
Alright, let's get on the bike, go to Sheets, get some Red Bull, a little water for the tank bag, and ooh, this is bright. And hit the road. It's gonna be fun. I love Ocean City, and this is my first time doing the bike week, and this time is with my besties, my brother and Farida. Again, look at the setup, the saddle boxes and the Harley Davidson duffel bag. I have some thoughts on this thing. Yeah, I'll tell you guys when we get to Ocean City. Oh, rode for an hour and a half. I just stopped at Rail Farms to just stretch a little, drink this Red Bull that I bought an hour and a half ago. I don't feel my legs anymore at this point, and it's also windy, so it adds a little extra hard stuff to it. They say ride a bike is fun and all, but unless you have a, what do you call, a Road King or a Goldwing, thank you, can't talk. Unless you have one of those, it's not that comfortable. And we have my brother on his Kawasaki's Z900. How do you feel?
I can't talk about it.
You can't talk about it. It's R-rated, not suitable for YouTube at this point. Knocked down another hour. We got, I think, like 30-40 minutes more left to go. Came here to Starbucks to just refresh and stretch a little more. The second stretch was a little easier than the first stretch. I don't know why. Maybe I just like changed my sitting position. Maybe that's what. Maybe I changed my sitting position. That helped a lot. But we got 40 minutes to go. There's a lot of bikes on the way, so I have no idea how the actual Ocean City is gonna be. So we'll see. We'll see. Gotta wait and see.
A few moments later.
Finally made it to Ocean City. Oh my god, it was amazing. I mean, I'm hurting, don't get me wrong, but it was absolutely amazing. Riding for more than 3 hours. We left at 11, now it's like 3, it's actually 4. So that's 4 hours, 5 hours of ride.
4.
So it took
exactly
us
5
5 hours.
Exactly 5 hours.
We did stop like twice,
3.
3 times. And we stopped like for at least half an hour to an hour.
Or more. Yeah.
So it makes
About
sense.
an hour at least.
About to go check in the Airbnb. Let's see how it is, and we're just gonna unpack and just go for another ride because it's absolutely amazing. This place is absolutely beautiful. Much better than the last places I've been in Ocean City. Last time I got an Airbnb was a whole story, but this one is nice. This one is like fully done restrooms and like really nice furniture too. Especially like I love that, and I love like the couch. I love you. I mean, no.
Okay.
This is amazing. And I have a place to work. I mean, I guess I had a place to work, but this guy is just putting everything there. It all checked in. Now it's time to get these stuff inside. My only problem with these Saddlebags is, I mean, I love them. Order the paint is not here yet. It's coming, I think, next week or Monday. The only problem I have is it looks big. It says 23 liters each side, but when you open it up, there's not much space. I mean, this is a bad case scenario. Let's open this one up. So this one, see how many stuff that fits. A bag for drone, coffee, water, and that's it. That's all it takes.
Dude wipes, jacket.
I mean, I didn't want to show the dude wipes. So yeah,
Jacket.
dude wipes and jacket too. That's all it fits. Like the ergonomics and
Spacing.
I can't even talk anymore. What?
That, spacing.
The spacing
And the shape
is-
of it.
Yeah, exactly. This shape. Thank you.
Ergonomics.
Appreciate it.
That's right.
After 5 hours of riding,
Yeah,
it's
it was
not
something.
working. So
My
yeah,
ass.
the shape of it.
My ass.
Let me
Oh,
finish. Let me finish. The shape of it makes it hard to pack good. One backpack here, a few things. One bag here, a few things, and that's it. And I had to bring that. All right, let's go.
It makes it hard, that's for sure.
That's what she said.
Made it to the lunch spot. Parked the bikes right here next to a jig stand. I'm just kidding. Gonna go get some lunch. It's a thing with us. Like we keep going to places we've been before. Doing the same thing now. I got this bomby looking sandwich, yum burger and burger. About to go and crush it. Look at this beard. Food was great as always. Gonna go for a ride. Hopefully we can find Life of Birch. We kind of might have an idea where he is, but it's a little creepy. We might go and find it. Well, yeah. Well, we found his bike, but not himself. Look at the difference between Fado's bike and his bike. Nice, pretty nice. You know, I gave these saddlebags a shit, but we were able to actually fit few bags of chips, water, there's somewhere there, and
1 gallon of water.
1 gallon of water, and 6 bottles of beer.
And 1 gallon of water and a moon pie.
Moon pie, that's the important one, and a water. And you look like Mario and Luigi had
Got
a
me at the
song.
wrong time.
Let's go. Have you been having fun?
Yes.
Listen to this, like
As long as
everywhere.
I don't have to listen to that exhaust.
Yeah, his bike is. Yeah.
Obnoxious.
We came here to the boardwalks sign with our bikes to post up, to take some videos and some photos. I always wanted to do this. I think I did this with a Challenger when I had it, but now this looks amazing as well. And I think we're gonna just ride back home after this. Just late night. What time is it? It's like 11:10 already. Then we're gonna go back home. I think I'm gonna edit this video. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. If you guys see this on the Saturday, it means I did it. Early morning I did it. Early in the afternoon I didn't do it tonight. We'll see. But okay, with that being said, we're gonna get on the bikes, go back to the Airbnb, and I think it was a really good first day here in Ocean City's Bike Fest or Bike Week. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you are down here in Bike Week or Bike Fest of Ocean City, Maryland. And with that all out of the way, as always, stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace!